Starting around the 17th of May 2023, Bitgert for the most part is exchanging at $0 term of its USD rate with the value change of 0.04% in most recent 1 hour in an actually especially significant manner. Brise generally has a really complete market cap of $140,927,067 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $4,574,268, which sort of is genuinely critical in a significant manner. This sort of in every practical sense makes Bitgert especially positioning at 174 in the digital currency market. On the off chance that you by and large are a crypto financial backer and considering what especially essentially is the Bitgert cost expectation end of 2023. What will Bitgert explicitly be worth in 2023 and in every practical sense, fundamentally significant way, which especially is genuinely huge? Is Bitgert in every way that really matters, wise venture or sort of worth purchasing in 2023, which explicitly truly is genuinely critical? Will Brise cost in a real sense outperform its unsurpassed high, which actually certainly is very critical? These in a real sense are our Bitgert cost expectations for Brise's future in a very large manner. Bitgert value expectation 2023 in an unobtrusive way, or so they thought. As per the Bitgert gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2023 the Brise cost by and large is supposed to especially cross a pretty for the most part normal value level of $0. The normal decently fundamentally least value worth of Bitgert toward the finish of the truly sort of current year ought to be $0, or so they really thought. Besides, Brise can by and large arrive at an essentially especially greatest value level of $0, which generally is very critical. Brise value gauge May 2023. In May 2023 the cost of Bitgert is gauged to generally truly be at around a for the most part truly least worth of $0, which really is very critical. The Bitgert value worth can especially arrive at a truly sort of limit of $0, the for the most part lovely typical exchanging worth of $0 USD, which basically is very huge in an unobtrusive manner. Bitgert value conjecture June 2023. For June 2023 the cost of Bitgert by and large really is basically anticipated to explicitly arrive at a typical cost of $0. The coin could exchange between a sort of limit of $0, a kind of least of $0, a very huge manner. Bitgert value figure July 2023. In July 2023 the cost of Bitgert outrageously is supposed to generally be at around an exceptionally least of $0 in unpretentious manner. Incredibly, Bitgert cost can sort of in a real sense arrive at a for the most part really limit of $0, the typical cost of $0 USD in a very significant way, which is genuinely critical. Bitgert value gauge August 2023. In August 2023 the cost of Bitgert really is supposed to sort of be at around an especially certainly least of $0, a kind of significant manner, which for the most part is very critical. Bitgert cost can explicitly generally arrive at a fundamentally limit of $0, the genuinely lovely typical cost of $0 USD. Bitgert value expectation September 2023. The cost for Bitgert in September 2023 can run somewhere in the range of $0, which for the most part explicitly is very huge. While the in every practical sense, normal exchanging cost ought to explicitly all things considered be around $0, truly in spite of prevalent thinking in a truly significant manner. Bitgert value conjecture October 2023. In October 2023, the truly sort of most extreme cost for Bitgert could basically stretch around $0. Moreover, the minimum cost of Brise in October 2023 generally is $0, a genuinely normal cost of $0, a kind of significant manner, which fundamentally is genuinely critical. Bitgert value expectation November 2023. With respect to November 2023, Bitgert value sort of is gauged to generally arrive at in a real sense the least cost of $0, which most certainly in every way that really matters, is very critical in an unpretentious way. The Brise cost could fundamentally generally arrive at an essentially really greatest cost of $0, the sort of especially normal expected cost around $0 and in every practical sense, exceptionally significant way in an unobtrusive way. Bitgert value expectation December 2023. The cost for Bitgert in December 2023 can go somewhere in the range of $0, which in every practical sense, explicitly is very critical. While the typical exchanging cost ought to be around $0 in unpretentious manner in an unobtrusive way. Bitgert kind of beautiful past value examination in the very especially beyond 24 hours. The crypto in every way that really matters has been essentially truly diminished by 2.81% in its all things considered. Lovely current worth in a by and large significant manner in an especially huge manner. Assuming we basically think about the extremely current market cap of the Brise with yesterday, you can for the most part explicitly see that the market cap sort of is likewise down. which is genuinely huge. For most recent 7 days, the Brise especially was in great vertical pattern and expanded by 17.79%. Exhibiting how Bitgert value expectation December 2023. The cost for Bitgert in December 2023 can go somewhere in the range of $0. Truly, in spite of mainstream thinking, Bitgert sort of has shown areas of strength for commonly truly potential of late. And this could be most certainly great chance to sort of truly dive right in and especially explicitly put resources into a reasonably by and large significant way. Inside the most recent 1 month, the cost of Brise especially generally diminished by 27.315%, taking out an incredible especially normal amount of $0 its very current worth, which certainly especially is genuinely huge in an especially enormous manner. This unexpected down generally implies that the coin very is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can generally be a decent certainly purchase and open door for most certainly especially speedy venture, showing how Bitgert value estimate August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of Bitgert explicitly by and large is supposed to especially be at around an entirely least of $0, which fundamentally generally is very huge, or so they thought. Bitgert value gauge 2023 FAQs. What will be Bitgert essentially worth in 2023? Which truly is very huge. The Brise cost in a real sense sort of is estimated to generally arrive at a fundamentally especially greatest degree of $0 in every practical sense. Sort of least cost of $0 the finish of 2023. Or so they especially thought in an unpretentious manner. Does Bitgert have a future in a for the most part enormous manner? As far as value, Bitgert explicitly in a real sense has an extraordinary sort of kind of potential to especially arrive at new levels, which basically is genuinely huge in an unobtrusive manner. It generally is estimate that Brise will increment in esteem, exhibiting that it most certainly in every practical sense is gauged that Brise will increment in esteem, or so they in a real sense thought. As per pretty in every practical sense, explicit specialists and business examiners, Bitgert can especially in every practical sense hit the particularly the greatest cost of $0 2030 in an essentially fundamentally significant manner, which is genuinely huge. Is Bitgert pretty genuinely worth purchasing in 2023 in an exceptionally large manner? Bitgert's worth sort of generally is supposed to for the most part basically keep on extending, as deficiency will in general by and large energize cost rise, showing how Bitgert value figure 2023 FAQs what will for the most part basically be Bitgert in every practical sense, worth in 2023, really in opposition to prevalent thinking, or so they thought. Kindly note, there really is a gamble to any interest in an unobtrusive manner. Just for the most part fundamentally put resources into what you can truly achieve prior to reaching any resolutions and lead the extremely greatest exploration sort of conceivable in a kind of by and large enormous manner.